Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video, I share with you some farmhouse-inspired interior decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Farmhouse-inspired interior decoration is a warm, cozy style that blends rustic charm with simple, practical beauty. It feels welcoming, lived-in, and timeless, perfect for creating a calm and comfortable home. Key farmhouse interior decoration ideas. Natural materials. Use wood, reclaimed, distressed, or natural finish. Add stone, brick, jute, cotton, and linen. Wooden beams or open shelves enhance the farmhouse feel. Neutral and soft color palette. Whites, creams, beige, soft grey. Warm earthy tones like tan, sage green, or muted blue. Light colors help spaces feel open and airy. Rustic furniture. Solid wood tables, benches, and cabinets. Distressed or antique style finishes. Mix old and new pieces for a cozy, collected look. Cozy textiles, cotton or linen curtains, plaid, floral or striped cushions, crochet, knit or foil throws. Great if you love handmade decor. Vintage and antique accents, old clocks, enamel pictures, wooden crates, galvanized metal trays or baskets. Farm tools or vintage frames as wall decor. Simple wall decor, shiplap or wood paneling, botanical prints, farmhouse scenes or family photos. Open shelves with everyday items on display. Warm lighting, painted lights, lantern-style lamps, soft warm bulbs for a cozy glow, candles or fairy lights for added charm. Greenery and nature touches, fresh or dried flowers, potted herbs or indoor plants, words made from eucalyptus or cotton stems. Choose soft neutral colors like white, beige, and cream to create a calm farmhouse foundation. Use natural wood furniture with distressed or edged finishes for authentic farmhouse charm. Add shiplap or wooden wall panels to bring texture and classic farmhouse character indoors. Decorate with vintage or antique pieces to give your space a collected, timeless feeling. Incorporate linen or cotton curtains for a light, airy, and cozy farmhouse atmosphere. Use open shelving to display everyday dishes, jars, and rustic decor items. Mix modern and rustic elements to keep the farmhouse style fresh and balanced. Add oven baskets for a stylish storage and a natural, cozy farmhouse touch. Choose comfortable sofas with washable fabric covers for practical farmhouse living. Use warm, soft lighting instead of heart slides to enhance cozy farmhouse vibes. Decorate tables with simple runners made from cotton, burlap, or linen. Display fresh or dried flowers to add natural beauty and softness. Choose farmhouse-style pendant lights or lanterns for kitchens and dining spaces. Add vintage wall clocks or mirrors to create farmhouse character and visual interest. Use neutral racks with subtle patterns to anchor furniture and add warmth. Incorporate metal accents like galvanized trays or iron hardware for rustic balance. Add handmade decor like crochet or knitted pieces for personal farmhouse charm. Thanks for watching this video.